Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate audio from video on CapCut. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project and add the video that you want to edit. And then after this, if you want to separate audio from video, you just click on the clip or on the video, and then at the menu you can swipe until you can see extract audio. This one, you just you just click on it and please waiting. And then after this, you can see the audio has been separated on a video. So that's how to separate audio from video on CapCut apps. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.